Yoruba body parts quiz.
Hello friends! Welcome to the Yoruba body parts quiz. Can you answer all 10 questions? Look carefully at the picture and choose the correct answer. You have 5 seconds. Let's start! Question 1. What is this body part called? A. Etí. B. Ojú. C. Imú. The correct answer is B. Ojú. Question 2. What is this body part called? A. Ẹnu. B. Etí. C. Ọwọ́. The correct answer is B. Etí. Question 3. What is this body part called? A. Imú. B. Ojú. C. Ẹsẹ̀. The correct answer is A. Imú. Question 4. What is this body part called? A. Ẹnu. B. Etí. C. Ọwọ́. The correct answer is A. Ẹnu. Question 5. What is this body part called? A. Orí. B. Ẹsẹ̀. C. Ọwọ́. The correct answer is A. Orí. Question 6. What is this body part called? A. Ẹsẹ̀. B. Ọwọ́. C. Etí. The correct answer is B. Ọwọ́. Question 7. What is this body part called? A. Ọwọ́. B. Imú. C. Ẹsẹ̀. The correct answer is C. Ẹsẹ̀. Question 8. What is this body part called? A. Ẹ̀yìn. B. Etí. C. Ojú. The correct answer is A. Ẹ̀yìn. Question 9. What is this body part called? A. Ọkàn. B. Ahọ́n. C. Imú. The correct answer is B. Ahọ́n. Question 10. What is this body part called? A. Irun. B. Ẹnu. C. Etí. The correct answer is A. Irun. Bonus round! Which one is etí? Is it A, B, or C? The correct answer is C. Etí is. How many points did you get? If you got 0 to 4, you're a Yoruba body parts learner. If you got 5 to 8, you're a Yoruba body parts expert. If you got 9 to 10, you're a Yoruba body parts champion. Well done!
Fọwọ́ kan ojú. Fọwọ́ kan etí. Fọwọ́ kan imú. Fọwọ́ kan orí.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ó dàbọ̀!